And once again, we've had 5,000 megalitres of water drop down here overnight. And my path that I extended last week was actually totally flooded overnight. I've got photos, I'll put it on. And there's all water up there. It was flooded all across here, which I'll put photos up and you'll see. And right up to here. I don't know, there's nothing I can do about it. I'd put new gravel up around behind the chook cages because the pipe that you can just see there, the overflow pipe, is back flooding back down and filling the backs of the pens up. And I put gravel down, but I didn't put enough because it flooded again. Oh well, life in the country. Isn't that right, guys? Isn't that right, turkeys? Cat's driving the car. Tiko, where are you? Tiko, where are you? Oh! What are you doing in the cupboard? Hi, Pepper. Hi, Lucy. What are you doing? I'm coming to see this little girl. I'm going to name her Snowy. And she's a little girl. And she's the cutest lamb in the world. And you can never have enough Snowies. I've got Snowy the Corella and Snowy the lamb. Yes, Mama Lammy. And look, there's the twins. The one twin's behind the other one, so you can't see it. And I don't know whether they're boys or girls. They look sort of boyish to me. And then Snowy, look at you, you're so cute. But Snowy is the cutest of all. I'll be keeping her. Very, very cute. And the reason she's so white is she's thrown back to the merino. Because that girl is half merino, half Suffolk. Pig's butt. What's that? I've got a little pinks and I've got a baby pinks. And the kisses for the mama, no bite ear. Ow, ow, not scratchy. Ow, 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 ow. Ah, mama's babies. Mama's babies. Mama's babies. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. He likes to whisper. That's how I tell him apart, because he whispers. And there's Snowy. Hi, Snowy. Snowy the Corella. Not Snowy the sheep. And there's the little pinks there, the little pinks and the little pinks and the little pinks. Hi, and Pinky Poo's down there. The naughtiest boy in town. Except for Tiko. He's the naughtiest boy in town. Pinky's the second naughtiest boy in town. Yes. All right. Is that enough? Is that enough? Hmm? Is that enough cuddles? Where's the baby? Where's the baby? Where's the baby? I redesigned Tiko's bells today, didn't I, Tiko? Where's your bells? Mummy fixed them all up. I made it so there's more gaps between them because they're all bunched together before. Yeah. Is that good? You can see them all now, can't you? Where's your new one that I got you the other day? Where's your new one? It's over here. Here's your new one, little buddy. There's your new one. Look. There it is, so you can get to it now. Look at that. Is it good? Oh, you love your bells so much, don't you, baby? Hey? Yeah. It's good. It's your favourite place in the world is your bells with all your teddies. What about this teddy? Do you like that teddy? Yeah? You do? Yeah? Is he as good as your bells? What about this bell here? Come on. You're a dag. You're a dag. Yeah, you're a nut. Where you going? What about your bells? Mummy fixed them all up for you. Huh? What I did is I put all wire around because they were sort of all bunched up in the middle and you couldn't sort of tell them apart. This is the luckiest boy in town. Yeah, you are. Oh, it's nothing like some new bells to make him a happy boy. Yeah. And you've been feeding them, haven't you? Have you been feeding your bells? Yeah, you have. Oh, dear. You're so clever. Yay. Gotta have happy babies. Hey? New bells and a belly full of food. That's all he needs, isn't it, Bubba? Kiss? Oh, good boy. I love you so much. I love you so much. Kiss? Kiss? Good boy. Say see ya. Say bye-bye. Bye.